Another round of applause for Mr. Winglinky and the marching band. And orchestra members as well. Thank you. Welcome to our Dia de los Muertos assembly. We are going to begin with a little brief video explaining about the holiday. Thank you for being here, and then we're going to have some students do some presenting. At the end of the assembly, we'll welcome you to come up and take a look at our community altar that we have put together, and I'd like to thank Ms. Thompson and all the work from the art department for their assistance. Ms. Ryan, I'd like to thank her for the dancers that you saw performing. So
another element represented is the earth, and it is represented by symbols and aromas of the harvest season. Clay bowls filled with corn are displayed. Bowls of fragrant fruits and squash are another important aspect when honoring the earth, as they represent the idea that we are all sustained by the earth.
The wind is evoked by the use of papel picado, which is artfully cut paper, freely fluttering in the breeze and used to decorate the altar table. Papel picado is used during Dia de los Muertos because it symbolizes the union and connection between the heavens and the sky and the earth in which we reside. Papel picado is punctured paper and is commonly decorated to depict flowers and happy skeletons.
Another one of the four elements that represent the Day of the Dead is water. Water represents the purity of the soul, and it is believed that the water will quench the thirst of the thirsty spirits. Therefore, it can reflect the regeneration of the circle of life and death. Sometimes a bowl with water and soap and towel are set in the altar so the dead can clean it up.
Another element of the Dia de los Muertos is the flower. Cempasúchil is the name given to the Mexican marigold flower. The word Cempasúchil comes from the Nahal, the language of the Aztecs. The word Cempasúchil, which means 20 flowers, Cempal meaning 20, and Suchil means flower. The number 20 in this case is used to mean the numerous, most likely referring to the flowers with many petals. So the real meaning of the name is flower of many petals. These flowers are often referred to the Mexican as Flor de la Muerte, which means flower of the dead, because they figure prominently in the Mexican Day of the Dead celebration. And you can see a lot of the flowers, like this one, on the graves in the houses of people who have dead loved ones. Cempasúchil flowers are a symbol of impermanence and fragility of life.
Great, thank you, Mr. Aranda, and these wonderful students for presenting that information. We now have a presentation by Mr. Larry Sharper and Matthew Grant.
To better understand the Day of the Dead, there are some things we need to get through your head.
No es el día del diablo y no es un día solo para Pablo.
It is a day for all, whether you're young, old, big, or small.
Es una celebración para aquellos que han perdido la vida. Vestirse y bailar como los muertos haciendo buena cuenta.
Light incense and lay down petals to show respect and make them feel special.
Las partes se celebran con verdades, se reúnen como uno, para mostrar a todos los niños la vida después de la muerte es divertida.
October 31st is All Hallows Eve, where children decorate altars throwing petals into the breeze.
Next is the Day of the Innocents, for all the young souls who never lived their dreams or accomplished their goals.
Lastly, on the second of the Day of the Dead, where we dance on their graves with fireworks ahead.
But listen, don't get mad, don't feel sorry. For the spirit's death is an everlasting fire.
Just give out hope that they may forever rest in peace. Give respect and remember to never forget.
you. Okay. Very nice, thank you.